In this video you will see how to apply 3-point bottom border in Word document. It's very easy. To apply 3-point bottom border, click inside the document where you want to insert the border, and under the Home tab you will see here this small box. This is a borders option. Click on the drop down and then go to borders and shading. You will see this borders and shading window. Just select the option box, and then under the width you need to select here 3 points. So this is the 3-point bottom border. At present we have all the borders, but we want only bottom border, so we will remove the top border, left border and the right border by clicking on them. And next, to apply to, you need to select here paragraph and then click on OK, and this will insert a 3-point bottom border in Word document. In case you need to remove this bottom border, you can simply go back to the drop down and just select the option no border, and this will remove the bottom border in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. Subscribe and press the bell notification icon to support the channel. Thank you.